Question number 7. Divya purchased Jyoti's business with effect from 1st April 2019. Profits shown by Jyoti's business for the last 3 financial year 2016-17 1 lakh including an abnormal gain of 12,500, 17-18 1 lakh 25 after charging an abnormal loss 25,000, 18-19 1 lakh 12,500 excluding 12,500 as insurance premium on firm's property now to be insured. Calculate the value of firm's goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. Let us calculate. Calculation of net profit. Okay, particulars. Years are given 2016-17, 2017-18, 2018-19. So let us start. Profits given are 1 lakh, 1 lakh 25 and 1 lakh 12,500. Okay, we are going to add abnormal losses. We are going to deduct abnormal gains and we are going to deduct insurance premium. Okay, so let us start. In the first year it is gain, so we are going to deduct 12,500. In the second year that involves abnormal loss, we are going to add 25,000. And in the year 18-19, we have not paid insurance premium, so we are going to pay 12,500. Okay. Now we are going to total the sum. It is 87,500. It is 1,50,000, and it is again 1 lakh. Okay. So we are going to calculate the total. Average profit equals to sum of all the years profit upon number of years. Okay, so it is 87,500 plus 1,50,000 plus 1 lakh upon 3. It is 250, 337, 500, 112, 500. So it is 1,12,500. Firm's goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchased. Okay, so it will be 1,12,500 into the number of years purchase was given 2, so it will be 2,25,000. Okay, now we move to next question. Question number 8. Abhay, Babu and Charu are partners sharing profit and losses equally. They agreed to admit Daman for equal share of profit. For this purpose, the value of goodwill is to be calculated on the basis of 4 years purchase of average profit of last 5 years. These profits for the year ended 31st March where the profits are given. On 1st April 2018, a car costing 1 lakh was purchased and debited to travelling expenses account. This is revenue, actually capital expenditure treated as revenue. So we are going to add these expenditures and we are going to charge depreciation on that, which is given like this, on which depreciation is to be charged at the rate 25%. Interest of rupees 10,000 on non-trade investment is credited to income for the year ended 31st March 2018 and 19. This is actually non-recurring incomes. Okay, so it is our abnormal income. Now, if you see, it is given depreciation 25%. It is not per annum. Okay, that's why there is no need to calculate on the monthly basis. Now, it is said calculate the value of goodwill after adjusting the above. Then the solution of net profit, particulars 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, profit and losses are taken. If you see, we have rectified the expenditures, okay, which were wrongly treated as revenue expenditure. So we have rectified here. Then the depreciation was charged on such a capital expenditure, and the abnormal gain that we have received, we have deducted, that is income from non-trade investments. Okay, so we got the net profit. Now we are going to calculate the average profit. Sum of all the years profit upon number of years. That equals to 1,50,000 plus 3,50,000 plus 5 lakh plus 7 lakh minus 5,25,000 upon 5. Okay, now that will be 150, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 17 lakh. So 11 lakh 75,000 upon 5. That equals to 5 to the 10, 1, 2 lakh 35. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the goodwill amount. Firm's goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, so let us calculate. 2,35,000. The number of years purchase is given 4. So that will be 8 and 140, 940, 9,40,000. Now we move to next question. Question number 9. Bharat and Bhushan are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They decided to admit Manu as a partner from 1st April 2019 on the following terms. Manu will be given to 5th share of the profit. Goodwill of the firm will be valued at 2 years purchase of 3 years normal average profit of the firm. Profit of the previous 3 years ended 31st March where 2019 profit 30,000 after debiting loss of stock by 40,000. 2018 loss 80,000 includes voluntary retirement compensation paid 1,10,000. 2017 profit 1,10,000 including a gain profit of 30,000 on the sale of fixed asset. Calculate the value of goodwill. Now let us calculate. Question number 9. We are going to prepare the table as we have already prepared in the previous question. The years are given 2019 2018, 2017. Calculation of net profit. Now we are going to calculate profits, losses, whatever given we are going to take. Okay, profit is given 30,000. Here there is a loss of 80,000. Then there is a profit of 1,10,000. Okay, we are going to add abnormal losses and we are going to deduct abnormal gains. Okay, so let us start. Profit 30,000 after debiting loss of stock. Loss of stock is abnormal loss, so we are going to add 40,000. Now loss 80,000 including voluntary retirement compensation, that is also abnormal, so we are going to add 1,10,000. And it is the profit 1,10,000 includes the gain, that will be deducted 30,000. Okay, so we are going to close it. It is 70,000, 30,000 plus minus plus is bigger, so we are going to take plus, it will be 80,000. Okay, just find out the average profit. So average profit equals to sum of all the years profit upon number of years. So it is 70,000, 30,000, 80,000 upon 3. This is 1,80,000 upon 3 equals to 60,000. Okay. Now firm's goodwill. Average profit into, it is said 2 years purchase, so number of years purchase. That is equals to 60,000 into 2, 1,35,000. Now we move to next question. Question number 10. Bhaskar and Pillai are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Kanika into partnership for 1/4 share of profit. Kanika brings in her share of goodwill in cash. Goodwill for this purpose is to be calculated at 2 years purchase of the average normal profit of past 3 years. Profit of the last 3 years ended 31st March were 2017 profit 50,000 including profit on sale of asset. This is non-recurring, so abnormal gain. Okay, 2018 loss 20,000 including loss by fire 30,000. 2019 profit 70,000 including insurance claim received 18,000 and interest on investment and dividend received 8,000. These are also non-recurring. Calculate the value of goodwill. Also calculate goodwill bought by Kanika. So partners goodwill we have to calculate. So let us start. And again we are going to calculate calculation of net profit. Okay, there are 3 years particular year 17, 18, 19, 2017, 2018, 2019 profits or given, we are going to write here 50,000. The loss given is 20,000, and the profit given is 70,000. Okay, so we are going to add abnormal gains, losses, and we are going to deduct abnormal gains. Okay, in the first year, that is abnormal gains, so we are going to deduct here. In 2018, there is a loss by fire, so we are going to add 30,000. Okay, then there is the insurance claim received. Both are abnormal gains, that will be deducted 26. Okay, so we are going to close it. That will be 45,000. It will be 10,000, and it is going to be 44,000. Okay, so average profit equals to sum of all the year's profit upon number of years. So it is going to be 45,000 plus 10,000 plus 44,000 upon 3. So 45, 55, 55, 99 upon 3 equals to 33,000. Okay. Now we are going to calculate firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, so it is 33,000 into the years are given 2 years, so it will be 66,000. Now we are going to calculate Kanika's share of goodwill. Firm's goodwill into her share. Kanika's share we are going to multiply. So 66,000. Her share was 1/4. 33, then it will be 16,500. Okay, so let us move to next question. Question number 11. Sumit purchased Amit's business on 1st April 2019. Goodwill was decided to be valued at 2 years purchase of average normal profit of last 4 years. The profit for the past 4 years were given. Now we move to books of account revealed that first abnormal loss of 20,000 was debited to profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2016. So this is loss we are going to add. A fixed asset was sold in the year ended 31st March 2017, and again profit of 25,000 was credited to the profit and loss account. This is abnormal gain we are going to deduct. Third, in the year ended 31st March 2018, assets of the firm were not insured due to oversight. Insurance premium not paid was 15,000. We have to pay this. Calculate the value of goodwill. So let us calculate. We are going to calculate the net profit. 16, 17, 18, 19. The profits are given 80,000, 145, 1 lakh 60, 2 lakh. We are going to add the abnormal losses. Then we are going to deduct the abnormal gains. And as the insurance premium has not been deducted, we are going to deduct it after getting the amount we got 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 45, and 2 lakh. The formula is average profit equals to sum of all the years profit upon number of years. 1 lakh we have added. Now we are going to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lakh 65,000. upon 4, so it will be 1s are 4s are, then again 1s are 2s are 5s are. Okay, so 141, 250. Now it is time to calculate firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchased Okay, so let us calculate. It is given 2 years purchase, so we are going to multiply by 2, so it will be 2,82,500. Okay, now we move to next question. Geet and Meet are partners in a firm. They admit Geet into partnership for equal share. It was agreed that goodwill will be valued at 3 years purchase of average profit of last 5 years. Profit for the last 5 years where profits are given. Books of account of the firm revealed that the firm had gained profit of 50,000 from the sale of machinery sold in the year ended 31st March 2016. The gain profit was credited in a profit and loss account. Now this gain will be deducted. There was an abnormal loss of 20,000 incurred in the year ended 31st March 2017 because of machine being absolute in accident. This is abnormal loss, we are going to add it. Overrunning cost of second-hand machinery purchase on 1st of July 2017 amounted to 1 lakh was debited to repairs account. Depreciation is charged at 20% per annum on written down value method. Calculate the value of goodwill. In this case, we are going to capitalize the cost of car, that is overhauling cost, and we are going to charge depreciation on it. Let us start solving the question. Okay. Calculation of net profits. Okay. So let us start particulars. The years are given: 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Okay. Profits, losses. $90,000 is the loss amount. 1,60,000. 1,50,000. Then it is 65,000. 1,77,000. We are going to add abnormal losses. We are going to deduct abnormal gains. We are going to add rectification of revenue expenditure, and we are going to deduct depreciation. Okay, let us start. In the year 2016, there was a gain of 50,000 in sell-off. So in the year 2016, we are going to deduct 50,000. Okay, and in the year 2017 there was a loss of 20,000, so we are going to add here 20,000 in 2017. It is said on 1st July 2017, that will be this year, because 1st April, after 1st April we are going to start. That means that will be added here 1 lakh. 1 lakh will be added here. Now we are going to charge the depreciation at the rate 20% per annum on written down value method. That means 1 lakh into 20% is 9 by 12. Okay, from 1st July to 31st March 2018. So it will be 3 the 4 the 1 the 2 the 15,000, actually 5 into 3 15,000. So we are going to deduct 15,000 here. Now it remains from 1 lakh 15 months, so it remains 85,000. In the next year we are going to charge 20%, that will be 17,000. Okay. So we are going to deduct 17,000, because it is said on the written down value method you have to charge depreciation. We are going to close now. It is loss will be 90,000. It will be 1,10,000. It is 1,70,000. It is going to be 1,50,000. It is going to be 1,60,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the average profit. Average profit equals to sum of all the year's profit upon number of years. Okay, so let us have minus 90,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 1,70,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 1,60,000. 310, 480, 590, 5 lakh upon 5 equals to 1 lakh. Okay, now we are going to calculate funds goodwill. Funds goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchased this will be 1 lakh. The number of years purchase given is 3. So it will be 3 lakh. Okay. Now we are going to close here, end up here. Now if you see all the questions, there are some adjustments that you have to do before solving the average profit. Okay, and that's why this is very important. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and